Easy Maintenance also allows you to track usage for your vehicles by the number of miles driven, or in other units such as kilometers if you so choose. In this tutorial video, we'll demonstrate how to view the usage logs for your vehicles, enter new usage log entries for a vehicle, delete usage log entries, and print. First, to access the section of Easy Maintenance where you track vehicle usage, click on the Vehicles to Service button at the Easy Maintenance main menu. This will take you to a list of all your vehicles. Select the vehicle for which you want to enter usage log entries by clicking on it, and then click on the Usage Log button. After you've clicked on the Usage Log button, you'll be taken to the Vehicle Usage Log window. At the top of the window, there's information displayed about the vehicle which you're entering usage log entries. Below that, you'll see the list of usage log entries made for this vehicle so far. For each entry in the list, you have the following information: the date on which the usage was incurred, the odometer of the vehicle at the time the usage log entry was made, the state in which the mileage was driven, the amount of miles logged in that entry, the units in which usage is measured for this vehicle, the amount of fuel that was consumed for the log entry, the units in which fuel is measured for this vehicle, the fuel efficiency for the log entry, which is the miles logged divided by the fuel used, and lastly, any notes about this log entry. Now, to create the new log entry, click on the New button. This will open up a window into which you enter the details of the new log entry. The first field in this window, the Vehicle Number field, displays the vehicle number for the vehicle for which you're making the log entry. The function of the rest of the fields in this window is as follows. Date. This is where you enter the date of the log entry. Last meter reading. This field displays the total mileage for the vehicle at the time of the last log entry. The number in this field cannot be changed. Current meter. This is where you enter the total number of miles that the vehicle has been driven since being entered into Easy Maintenance. Click on the box and type in the current odometer reading. Usage. This field is automatically calculated by taking the difference between what you entered into the current meter field and the last meter reading field. Therefore, this field shows you the total mileage incurred since the last usage log entry was made. State. Select from this drop-down box the state in which the logged miles were driven. Fuel. In this field, you enter the amount of fuel consumed for the miles you're entering. Fuel efficiency. This field is where the fuel efficiency of the vehicle is displayed. The fuel efficiency is based on the amount of miles logged in this entry and the fuel used. The number of miles logged is divided by the fuel used to calculate the fuel efficiency. Notes. This is where you enter any comments on the log entry. Click in the box and type any comments you wish to add to the entry. Once you're finished entering all of the information for the log entry, click on the OK button at the lower right-hand corner of the window to add the log entry. If you've changed your mind and do not want to add the log entry, click on the Cancel button to discard any entries you've made and abort adding the log entry. As you can see, the fuel efficiency for the last log entry you made is displayed here. If this efficiency is less than the minimum fuel efficiency specified for this vehicle, then the vehicle will be marked in red at the vehicle listing screen. See video 3.2, Entering, Editing, and Deleting Your Vehicles, for how to set the minimum fuel efficiency for a vehicle. To delete log entries, just select the usage log entry you want to delete by clicking on it, and then click on the Delete button. If you delete a usage log entry that is between two others, the usage of the entry after the one you deleted will be increased by the amount of the one you deleted to reconcile the total mileage of the vehicle with the usage recorded in the individual logs. If you want to print a list of the usage log entries for a vehicle, click on the Print button. This will pop up a small window. Here you have to enter a date range for the entries which you want to print. Type the lower end of the date range into the Start Date box, and then type the upper end of the date range into the End Date box. Then click on the Print button. If you've changed your mind and don't want to print out the usage log entries, then click on the Cancel button. When you're finished entering, viewing, or printing log entries at the Equipment Usage Log window, click on the OK button. In addition to entering your vehicle mileage logs manually, as we've demonstrated in this video, you can import mileage logs for your vehicles via an Excel spreadsheet by using the Data Import utility in Easy Maintenance. This is especially useful when you have many log entries you need to enter into Easy Maintenance quickly. See video 6.6, Data Import Utility, for a demonstration of how to import these vehicle mileage logs.